This 17-inch long piece of aquarium airline will be a single whip. It's inserted about 1 inch into the shop air hose and then wrapped about 6 to 7 times with duct tape. Then it was tightly zip tied. Time for some testing. Works fine, but takes a little longer to do the job. It needs to be moved from side to side in ducting that's shaped like this to get good coverage. See how the whip tube only occasionally visits the left side of the duct when the main body of the whip stays on the right side? Cutting it shorter and/or raising the pressure may help, but its coverage may be reduced. My 20-gallon compressor easily powered the single whips. Thanks for watching.